We are having our annual graduation for the children that were served in our program and are moving on to either Fairfax County Public Schools, special education, or are being served in the community in preschools or other places. Staff really get excited about planning this event and participating with it. We'll have some light refreshments. We have entertainment. The Great Zucchini is going to be here. We're going to hand out graduation certificates to every child and give them an ITC t-shirt. And it's just going to be a good celebratory day.
Infant and Toddler Connection has been a huge asset with our family. Because of them, Kyle's been able to make a lot of milestones. We started off at the program when he was 8 months old, not even talking, not babbling, not walking, not even sitting up by himself. And now today, at 2.5 years old, he has mastered all of that, thanks to their help and their assistance.
I think our program is significant because children come to us when their parents have concerns about their development, when they're brand new babies. We work with them to maximize the learning for all the children. We try to provide strategies and assistance to parents so that they feel comfortable and confident with their child's special needs, that they can address them.
The county and ITC has been very supportive. We've made great strides, and this is just a culmination of how great the program's been. They've really put a lot of thought and effort into this.
We feel that the earlier you start, the better. And when we know a child or if a family has a concern, that there are many things that can happen, that we can work with them. We go to their home. We will give them strategies, whatever they're concerned about, so that their child can participate in their family. We will work with them. We're really here to celebrate the families and their accomplishments and the successes of the children.